Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TED token. Now the TED token just finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. It was a gigantic pre-sale. This is the bear. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie TED. I believe, yes, that's what this token is based off of. At first glance, that's what it looked like. It's a movie they made a sequel to with Mark Wahlberg with a talking bear, and this is a crypto coin based on that movie. So, yeah, trending #1 right now. Just wrapped up their pre-sale. They sold an insane amount of tokens. We're going to go over the information on the TED token here in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the TED token. It says, "Hey meme lovers and crypto rebels, the TED token is here to shake up the meme coin bear market. We're channeling our favorite foul-mouthed teddy bear and creating a token ready to kick bear butt. With trust, transparency, and fun, we're building a great community that sticks together. Our fair and action-ready tokenomics keep us ahead of the game. Join the TED token revolution, take crypto by storm, and have a blast." So, get this. They had 1,600 total investors contribute to this presale. That is a large amount for a pink sale presale. They set their soft cap at 30 BNB. They ended up selling 1,599.73 BNB worth of tokens. That's an insane amount of tokens sold as well. They did very, very well. It is definitely meme season. And yeah, pre-sale just wrapped up. So if you're looking to get this token, how you get the token now that the pre-sale's over. So this token will be eventually listed on Pancakeswap within the next couple days. So I would follow their Twitter here, which is at TEDBNB. Very straightforward, only 6 letters. TEDBNB. That is their Twitter. So they will announce their latest tweet here, their pinned tweet. It says TED meme is listing in 60 minutes on Pancakeswap, and that was from 1 hour ago, so it should be up there. So by the time I upload this video, it should be exactly in time for you guys to go check out the TED token on Pancakeswap. So that's amazing. Now, the TED token just finished their pre-sale going right to Pancakeswap. So how you get it is you fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and trade your BNB for the TED token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Or their official webpage here is tedbnb.com, pretty straightforward. And you can find it also on their pink sale pre-sale page under token address. You may be able to find it on their socials as well, but you can find it all over the place. They even have a buy now button in the top right-hand corner of their webpage. You click on that. It's all over, actually. It's real easy to find. Just go to their webpage, tedbnb.com. Click on that, take you to Pancakeswap. Then you would trade your BNB for the TED token. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We'll review that in a second here. And it says liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 3 months. So that's not a long time. Hopefully they extend that. Maybe they'll update people of extension soon, hopefully. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart, it just has 46% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 42.8% going to liquidity, 11.1% of the tokens are unlocked. There is a free and quick light audit by Cyberscope in the discussion section on Pink Sale, and it says owner cannot set fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot blacklist wallets, and owner cannot stop trading. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now it says, TED, unleashing the crypto bearbellion. Hey y'all, troublemakers, outcasts, meme maniacs. All right, so it says, we're taking humor from the movie TED and mixing it up with the power of BNB blockchain to create the best meme token you've ever seen. TED gives you step-by-step how to buy on their webpage too. Pretty straightforward there. So it says for the token distribution, 90% liquidity, 6.9% reserved for essential exchanges, 2% team and project funding, and 1.1% marketing promotions and partnerships. So it says no tax. So you most likely will not have to set slippage. Just leave it at default on Pancakeswap. It says, adopt a tax-free model to simplify transactions and encourage trading activity. Renounced contract. Renounced ownership of the contract to demonstrate trust and security for the community. Fair launch on Pink Sale, and then launch the project with a fair distribution with no potential of price manipulation. So their roadmap is on here, starting with phase 1. Website creation, community activation, and social media creation. Then phase 2, fair launch on Pink Sale, so that's where we're at. Then it's Twitter takeover, launch on Pancakeswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, DEX tools trending, and 1,000 holders. So, they've already had 1,600 total contributors just in the pre-sale, so they're already past that. And then the last phase is listing on central exchanges, 100 million traded volume, 10,000 holders, meme takeover. Then it tells you, of course, a big disclaimer at the bottom. This is a meme token with no intrinsic value. Now their Telegram. I cracked myself up unintentionally there. All right, so TED BNB portal is their Telegram. 732 subscribers. Not doing too bad there. Now their Twitter has 1,011 followers. They just joined in May 2023. So they're doing pretty well. It says reshaping the meme crypto scene with humor, rebellion, join our unstoppable community. Rule the meme world. So they only have 19 tweets so far. But yeah, you can see they're very active on here. They're saying about this is being listed right now on Pancakeswap. So check out their socials. Check out their webpage. Let me know in the comments down there, since I am not a financial advisor. What do you guys think about the TED token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.